Who's that chick? Who's that chick? Who misses that intro? Press into.
I love Crazy Kate.
So my face probably looks multicultural, skin hanging off because my forehead's burnt, but there's nothing I can do. And you better stop. That is your mother. His butt was just humping the air. Excuse me. Excuse me. How inappropriate. Better not. What a pig. You're a pig. Anyway, he's a pig. So, it's like 94 degrees out. I just took a shower and I decided to go outside. My face feels like it's like dried up to like look like the desert. So I'm gonna go back inside. And because our filter in the pool isn't working, there's no hope in taking a nice dip in the pool. So, what am I gonna do? Work on the playlist. You stop! There's no one even out there. We're gonna work on the playlist for the luau that I'm DJing. And that'll probably be, I've already done an hour. It took me like literally an hour to do an hour of songs. So, yay, sucking it, putting a DJ thing together. You are watching the Katie vlog. And Katie has been busy making a playlist for her DJ job. For a luau at her aunt's. And this DJ job has great importance to her, so she will not be able to do a good vlog today, as you have already seen. So look me in the eye and say you understand, because tomorrow will be better. This, I am sure. So, have some patience and some understanding, and Katie will be back to business and back to great vlogging tomorrow. She hopes you understand.
Hey, you're watching the Katie vlog. Hoi. Ik liebe verdammt nochmal todeslecker Schnitzel. Ik liebe verdammt nochmal todeslecker Schnitzel. Yeah.
This is a picture of Crazy Kate when she was a first grader. She's crazy. So, she hopes, this younger Katie hopes that you understand from her older Katie way that this vlog stinks and that there will be better footage tomorrow.
Hey, cheese.